Hi everybody. Again we are recording a theme on a radar for we can say this week or this month as as um, you all are, you all are aware that yesterday, that is the Friday's closing in American as well as European market is very much risky and scary on side. That means Dow Jones is down almost more than 1.5%, Nasdaq is down more than 4%, S&P down more than 2.5%, DAX down. Every means American, European, all the markets are very much in red, and means bulls are nowhere on the picture, but the bears grip are so much tight and tight. So gift nifty, our gift nifty is also down by 1.5%, almost more than 300 points in points term. If we can calculate, then more than 300 odd points red. So it is not a good start for this week. We can say that, unless and until there is a big or any breaking type of news. But crude is down, gold is down, equity market is also down. So means what is going on? Something is fishy in the market, or we can say we are not getting that thing in the market. But as you can see on the screen, that I am not putting nifty chart, again I am putting the index, that is the Nifty Energy, and I am bullish on Nifty Energy for theme on the radar basis. So simply our strategy is same, means we are not looking for, if the theme on radar is for 1 month, then we are holding that position for 1 month. This is not means in the COVID time we are predicting, okay, rally on, but in the recent past we are not doing that thing. So keep a strict stop loss as well as keep a strict target also. If we are getting this much percentage, then I am very much happy to book, and maybe again the same level get in this next week or maybe a next day, then again maybe I am re-enter into it. So I am for this theme on radar basis, for this week theme, I can say that Nifty Energy, simply the low is our best entry level to enter on. That is, the low is 40,140 level. It is a good entry point, 40,150 around. If not getting, then buy it on a two slot, that is, one is right on 40,300 and rest is 40,100. But I can definitely say, after seeing the gift nifty 300 odd points down, we can very much getting that level, and keep a strict stop loss on 40,000 level, means no bargaining or no compromise on that level. And then easily on 5%, 7%, 11% on upside move, or we can say in a points term, 40,500 will be our first level to reach up to. So again I am not so much in bull side, but yes, I am definitely on a sector basis, I am definitely bullish on energy type of sector. So those who are in very much keen to enter in the indices, then Nifty Energy is the good one. But those who are tracking the stocks wise, then the stocks maybe you can clear on, or you can add on a watch list basis. That is, the our favorite is REC PFC, as well as some Adani stock, that is the Adani Energy, or maybe the Adani or Power India, our all time favorite Adani Power, or and that's CG Power, that sort of stocks. If you are liking in stock basis, then I'm simply giving a random names on a energy sector stocks. But definitely on indices basis, I am bullish on energy, Nifty Energy. Again I am repeating, I am not a SEBI registered advisor, so please calculate your own risk and then jump into the trade. Thank you.